Hey there, I'm Carla. Welcome to my channel. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card first. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. And which envelope has our quotes today? Let's do any little bitty music note. Doing your best looks different every day. That's true. You gotta find the joy in being alone. It took me a while to figure out how to enjoy it. If you focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the lesson, you will continue to grow. They gave each other a smile with the future in it. Aw, sweet. And the last one today. Sometimes breaking turns into a breakthrough. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.